Hey guys, welcome back to the series of HTML. In the previous video, we have learned about the tables, and in this video, we are going to learn about the list in HTML. So let's get started. Alright, when you are writing any reports for your projects or any assignments you do, you'll have some matter to be written in some points. Like you may use the bulleted points or you may use the numbered points. So let's try to create some bulleted points in HTML, and these bulleted points are also called as unordered list. An unordered list starts with the tag ul, which means unordered list. So less than ul greater than and less than slash ul greater than. And to add the first bulleted point, the tag will be less than li greater than, which means the list item. So less than li greater than apple and less than slash li greater than to close this list item. And the second one will be banana, that will be less than li greater than banana and less than slash li greater than. And for the last one, less than li greater than orange and less than slash li greater than. So if you see the output, I got the dot, which means the disk in HTML. And there are two more types for these markers. They are the circle and the square. But where do we mention these? So that will be in the opening tag of ul. So let me copy this for another 2 times. And now in the ul tag, I'll say type is equal to circle. And for the other one, the type will be square. So let's see the output now. So this gave me the disk for one of the list and circle for one of the list and square for the third one. And now coming to the ordered list, this is nothing but a set of numbered elements. So this will start with the tag ol, which means ordered list. So less than ol greater than and less than slash ol greater than. And the list items will be same as before. I'll simply copy this and paste them here. And if I save this file and see the output, this gave the points numbered, starting from 1 and then 2 and 3. Here I got the normal numbers, right? But I want the Roman numbers. How can I get them? So we have an attribute called type, which we need to mention in the ol tag. So type is equal to capital I. And if you see the output now, I got the Roman numbers. Since we have given this I in uppercase letter, it gives Roman numbers bigger. And if I want them to be small, I'll change this to lower letter. So that will be small I. And now let's see the output. So it gave me the smaller letter of Roman numbers. So let's say I want the points to be alphabets. Then type is equal to A or capital A. It gives the output with the letters mentioned. So if you give the lowercase letter, then the points will be in the lowercase, and if you give the uppercase A, then the points will be in the uppercase letters. And now there is one more attribute called start. What it does is it specifies the starting sequence. So here the type is an alphabet, and if I mention start is equal to 3, then the first alphabet in bulleted points will be C, because A is 1, B is 2 and C is 3. So I got the bulleted points starting from C. And now we have a list called definition list. So this allows you to define terms in web page. That means if you have any definitions about a term, we will keep the heading on the left, and the meaning of the term will be started with the tab space in the new line. So this definition list is created with the tag DL. And the term used to be defined is placed inside the DT tag, which means the definition term. Let's say web page. And the description of that word will be given in the tag DD. That means the definition description. So in the DD tag, I'll say hypertext document which is connected to internet. So this is the definition of that term, which is web page. And I'll save this file and see the output. Here I got the definition term, and here with the tab space I got the definition description. So that's about the list. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.